Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Analytics for affiliate marketing tracking in USA. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the admin panel, you will see three columns: Account, Property, and View. Select the account you wish to use for affiliate marketing tracking. Next, click on the Property column. If you haven't created a property for your affiliate site, click on Create Property. Fill out all necessary information for your affiliate website, including the website name, URL, and industry category. Make sure to select the appropriate reporting time zone. Click on Create to finish setting up your new property. Once your property is created, you will land on the Property Settings page. Locate the Tracking Info option in the Property column and click on it. Next, select Tracking Code. Here, you will find your unique tracking ID. Keep this ID handy, as you'll need it for your affiliate tracking setup. Now, log into your affiliate marketing platform. Look for the option that allows you to add tracking for your campaigns or links. Paste your Google Analytics tracking ID into the designated field. Make sure to follow any additional instructions specific to your affiliate platform. If your platform supports UTM parameters, consider adding them for more detailed tracking. These parameters will help you analyze data specific to each campaign. After pasting your tracking ID, save the changes within the affiliate marketing platform. Return to Google Analytics and navigate to the Real-Time section. Open your website and click on any affiliate link to test if your tracking is working properly. Check the real-time reports to see if your click is registering. If you see the activity, your tracking setup was successful. To dive deeper into understanding your affiliate performance, set up custom reports in Google Analytics. In the Customization section, select Custom Reports. Stay vigilant and monitor your analytics to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Adjust your campaigns based on the insights gathered from your tracking data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.